Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday morning. And you might hear some saws going on in the background because one of my neighbors is having something done. I have no idea. I don't look over the back fence. I try not to. Last night I prepared honey apple pork chops with cheddar au gratin potatoes, and I used the last of the long beans I picked up on Saturday at the farmer's market. Yummy all around. Yeah, the apples that got simmered and or cooked in the garlic and the honey and yummy, 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 yummy. Tonight, I am doing British bangers and garlic butter steak bites with cheesy smashed potatoes. This is not your typical bangers and mash. Not that quite. All right, let's take a look. Lots of hardware. A couple saute pans, a Dutch oven, and a sheet pan. Here's the bangers. A little bit of beef stock involved, and Lee & Perrins Worcestershire sauce and onions, and a little bit of flour for thickening. Of course, some olive oil. I'm using tri-tip for the steak. Some garlic, lots of butter, salt, kosher pepper, pound and a half of these beautiful baby reds, some cheddar cheese, some Parmesan cheese, and some sour cream as a topping. And I forgot to pull the parsley. There's parsley involved in this for garnish and color. The potatoes will get boiled, then smashed, crushed, then cheese on top, and yumminess into the oven, and everything gets all plated and put together. So there is tonight's dinner. I might do the Amish thingamadiggy. I don't know. I've not slept well in the last couple nights. Just really, I've been having nightmares. 55 years old and I'm having nightmares. All right. On this Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, if you're going for tacos, go to your favorite taqueria and get some numminess. But have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.